makeup tutorial.
Hey guys, here is a meltproof makeup routine step by step.
Meltproof makeup tutorial.
Micellar water to cleanse your skin. Then after that, you want to go ahead and use a skincare, guys. It is very, very important that you cleanse and you apply your skincare product in this season. Then you want to use an hydro grip primer. The excess of this primer is to make your foundation stick onto your skin really, really well without shifting. Then guys, I'm going to go ahead and apply a concealer. In this tutorial, I'm going to be skipping foundation totally of the concealer I have on my skin. I want to cover some blemishes, and by the time I blend it out, it's going to cover up like 90 to 80% of my face, so there's no need of applying a foundation. I'm going to leave it to dry before blending out. Then I'm going to apply a creamy concealer under my eyes. I'll blend that out with a puff, and I'm going to add warmth. I mean, we need that warmth, guys. We don't want to be walking around looking like a ghost. Then after that, I'm going to be adding some color, and I'm going to be setting my under eyes with a pink setting powder. We are saving the best for the last, which is going to be that Pro fixing spray. You need that to keep this makeup to stay in place without shifting. And this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this tutorial in the comment section. Bye guys.